Hey guys, James here with Zenith Firearms. We're back out on the range today to bring you a Training Tuesday tip where we'll cover recommended accessory options for our roller delayed blowback line of weapons. Now, our weapons are incredibly modular by design, and we're proud to work with our industry partners to bring you not just the product, but the full product solution. Now, optimizing your weapon to your specific requirements or desires is not just about personalizing it, but about mission accomplishment. And that may be a successful drug raid or an enjoyable day on the range. Now, I've been running these weapons for years, and here are a few recommendations I have for accessory options that make your weapon much more capable. First, let's talk about triggers. As some of you may know, through our Zenith custom shop, we now offer trigger enhancements. You can find out more information by visiting the Services tab on our website. The original trigger groups are based off the military design, and though guys like me have become very accustomed to the heavier trigger pulls that are associated with it, there is no denying the benefit that comes from an enhanced trigger system that provides both a lighter trigger pull and a more responsive reset, as well as a cleaner overall feel. Now, on the subject of triggers, it's obvious from the original design that right-handed shooters were in mind when they put the selector lever only on the left side. And let's face it, if you're not right, you're wrong. But I will contest that there are times when having the capability of a selector that's accessible from both sides of the weapon comes in pretty handy. And we're excited now to offer an ambidextrous selector lever option. The kit's simple and easy to install. It comes with everything you need: a left and right side selector lever, a spring and detent to give it the positive click in between positions, and your screw, Allen key, and Loctite to secure it all in place. Removal and replacement is simple too. Take your standard selector and rotate it up to 12 o'clock and pull it out. Take your new left side selector lever, drop your spring and detent inside the recess. Then place it back in the same orientation as you pulled the old one out. Rotate it over, drop your new right side selector in place, put some Loctite on your screw, put it in place, and tighten everything down with your Allen key. And just like that, you're a dual threat. Now on to sights. As most of you are familiar with our Z5 RS line, with its hooded front and rear diopter drum sights, they represent some of the best iron sights on the market. Our Z5 P and K were originally designed to be used as pistols, and as such, have traditional pistol style sights, or patridge sights, and what we call a castle rear sight. Now, when upgrading to a stock option or brace, I recommend also upgrading to the rear diopter drum from the Z5 RS line. It's a pretty simple fix and can be ordered directly from our website, and our armorers can install it with your weapon before it's shipped, or you can purchase it separately and install it yourself. You'll just need the sight adjustment tool, which also can be purchased off our website. Now on to sights. Replacing your standard front sight blade with a tritium option is a no-brainer. It gives you rapid target acquisition during day and low light conditions. What you see here on your right is the XS Big Dot, which, as the name suggests, is a large tritium dot. This is ideal for rapid target acquisition at close ranges and works great with our P or K models in their pistol configuration. On your left, you see a smaller option. This is from Trijicon, and I find this a very capable tritium option across all ranges, still allowing rapid acquisition without fine accuracy degradation at distance. You can purchase the XS Big Dot through hkparts.net, whereas the Trijicon option we have available on our website. You can purchase it separately and install it yourself, or you can have our armorers install it with your weapon. For ammo management, I'm a big proponent of the theories of 2 is 1, 1 is none, or ammo is life, more is better. Therefore, in most situations, I prefer to run a dual mag clamp, giving me twice the on-gun ammo capacity. Though there are several different companies that make dual mag clamps, I found the one that's most effective is the original design by H&K. In another nod to our left-handed shooters, we're all aware that our weapons only have left side sling attachment points. There's nothing on the right side for them to mount their slings to. Now, there are some accessory options that you can get directed to a sling, but the one I found that works best on the actual weapons itself is the original HK sling pins. As you see, there's one small and one large sling pin. The small is for the front, the large is for the rear. Both of them incorporate an eye loop on one end, and then a traditional thread pattern nut on the other. Installation is simple. Just remove the standard push pin from the front, then install your new Sling Attachment push pin on the other side. Once in position, just with the use of Loctite, secure your thread end cap. And now you have Sling Attachment points on the opposite side of your weapon. You can find these Sling Attachment pins on hkparts.net. As you can see, with the modularity of our design, you've got numerous options to consider when looking to upgrade your weapon. I've shown you just a few here today that I found allow me to make my weapon more capable. Finding what works for you should be your goal. At Zenith, we believe in our products and the solutions they provide. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.